ZBCN holders, Zebec holders, you all need to prepare for what is about to happen. We are going to be talking about this ZBCN chart on the weekly time frame, and not to forget that ZBCN bounced exactly from this our daily time frame level I gave you guys several days ago. This decision zone between 0.00041 and also 0.00035. When we came into that decision zone, we got a precise sniper entry from there and bounced to the upside. We are also going to be talking about the orders chart on the weekly time frame. Orders chart has broken above the $305 billion level we talked about in our previous video. It is now trading around $330 billion. We are left with 1 day and 19 hours until this weekly candle close. And not to forget the Ethereum chart. Ethereum is still currently in her season. We are also briefly going to talk about the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame and also the orders BTC pair on the monthly time frame. If you're paying attention to the orders BTC pair on the monthly time frame, this is the orders chart excluding top 10 to top 20 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space against BTC. Now, if you're paying attention to the orders chart against the BTC pair, you will notice the MACD line is about to cross the signal line to the upside. And the moment that is happening, we are going to get another bullish momentum to the upside. And the moment the histogram is turning green and both the MACD and the signal line is flipping above the zero line and the histogram, then the altcoin market is going to be in an explosive phase. Now, this is the MACD line. The moment these both lines are crossing above the zero line, forget about it, just like we did in the last market cycle. You understand? When we crossed above it, the market exploded. The altcoin market exploded. I think same thing is about to happen, and a lot of people are still going to get sidelined. ZBCN current holders amount is currently above 80,000. We are currently seated at 82,411 holders. In the last 7 days alone, we've added close to 300 holders. In the last 3 days, 215 holders, which is massive if you ask me. This is the ZBCN liquidation heat map on the 3-day time frame. If you're paying attention, we have liquidity both to the upside and to the downside. That is signaling that ZBCN is likely to continue consolidating between this liquidity zone. If you're paying attention, this is a clear bullish pennant on the weekly time frame for ZBCN for Zebec price. So all we need to do now is to get a breakout to the upside, flip this resistance trend line into a support to confirm the breakout. If you're taking the measurement from this bull flag all the way to the top of this trend line and taking it to the breakout, the target for ZBCN is around 0.040. So the breakout is going to take a lot of people by surprise. Like seriously, remember we've already flipped this decision zone into a support. I think we are now retesting the decision zone after a breakout. You understand? By the time we've successfully hold above it, the next one is going to be a moonshot to the upside. Like seriously. And let's not forget that Zebec just partnered with payrollfinance.com to fuse in real-time stablecoin payroll. Zebec has been partnering, has been having a back-to-back partnership, which is massive for the project. Sooner or later, we should begin to see Zebec run into billions of dollars of market cap, which is very, very possible considering the Q4, which we are expecting a massive altcoin season. I think the orders chart, which is the rest of the altcoin excluding top 10 and top 20 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, is about to replicate what Ethereum did few weeks ago. We just broke out of the $305 billion market cap zone, and we are now trading around $331 billion left with 1 day and 19 hours until this weekly candle closes. Now, altcoin season is about to begin. The moment we are successfully closing this weekly candle above this level, then expect altcoin season. You understand? It's going to take a lot of people by surprise. It's going to come like a thief in the night. That was exactly what Ethereum did. When Ethereum broke out with a massive bullish candle above the $2,900 level, we sent Ethereum price sent to the upside, went parabolic, took the whole market by surprise. We are now currently in the Ethereum season. So sooner or later, we are going to enter into the aggressive altcoin season we all have been waiting for. Like, if you're paying attention to this BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame, you will notice when the altcoin season began in 2017 was when the BTC dominance started dumping aggressively. This is the BTC dominance on the weekly time frame. The BTC dominance is currently trading around 57.46%. I believe by the time the BTC dominance eventually loses the 55.46% level, altcoin market should enter into an aggressive phase of bullish rally to the upside. Like, seriously, like I've said countless times, the moment the BTC dominance approaches the 44-42% level, I will start considering taking huge profit, massive profit off my entire altcoin portfolio and wait for the market to reset, because I wouldn't want to be holding on to my altcoin and get used as an exit liquidity by the whales and market makers. Do you get? So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. The moment we start seeing the massive aggressive dump, then I think that dump is likely to take us to 55%, break us below the 55% level, and from there it should be a free fall for the BTC dominance, and that is when altcoins are going to begin to rally against the BTC dominance aggressively to the upside. I think altcoin market are likely to take out this previous high on the altcoin BTC chart around 0.50 level. We are currently at 0.14. We are left with 17 days and 9 hours until this monthly candle closes. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. Starting from now onward, the market should be bullish. You understand? For the entire altcoin. Even if we should get the usual September sharp correction, I think it's going to get eaten up. You get ASAP. If you're paying attention to the fear and greed index, we are currently at 52%. Yesterday was greed, 57. Last week was neutral, 48%. Last month was 57%. So I think there's no cause for alarm. We are still expecting the rate cut on the 17th of September 2025. The probability of getting a 25 basis point rate cut is currently seated at 93.4%, while the probability of not getting that is seated at 6.6%. So it is obvious we are going to get the rate cut, like seriously, and it's going to send the entire market to the mass. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. I was thinking it was going to be about the buy the news, sell the rumor. But from the look of things, the market hasn't really priced in or reacted yet. So I might be wrong this time around. Maybe what the market makers are trying to do is to go against what we thought was going to happen, or what we thought has been the pattern for news like this and the market reaction. So yeah, fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. The entire altcoin market is currently recovering, like seriously. XCN is up 8%, ZBCN is up 4%, MIL is up 10%, Tobo 5%, Bread 6%. Like, a lot of altcoins are recovering. Mana is up 3.3%, Dora is up 37%. That's massive if you ask me. So I think sooner or later we are going to begin to see a 3-digit pump in a single day. Jasmine is up 3.4%, Sand is up 3.4%, Popcat 3.7%. So this is not the time to panic sell at all. We are now closer to the finish line than before.